Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, plug the Porodo pencil into power, watch the LED change, and let it reach a basic charge, about 30 minutes. Once charging is underway, open your device's Bluetooth menu and pair the pencil named Porodo pencil. Confirm any PIN when asked. Then install the maker's app or driver and enable stylus input settings. Make sure to choose a medium pressure curve to begin, because that gives predictable strokes while you learn the tool's response. You now focus on control. Open a blank canvas and practice light to heavy strokes to understand pressure sensitivity. Adjust the pressure curve if lines feel too soft or too stiff. Once comfortable, use tilt for shading, angle the pencil slightly and blend pressure to create smooth gradients. Make sure to map the pencil's shortcut buttons in the app to common actions like undo or eraser. This speeds your workflow. If you switch tools, press the mapped button rather than opening menus, because you finish by caring for the pencil. Replace nibs when they show wear, and keep a spare in your kit so you never lose a session. Once done, check the app monthly and update firmware to improve stability and add features. If you encounter jitter or sudden disconnects, reset Bluetooth pairing, unpair, restart both devices, then repair. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connectivity glitches. If problems persist, contact support. But usually, a restart and repair will fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.